Hey guys, this is Priya, a second year medical student currently studying at MGM. And it's day 5 of the series called A Day in the Life of a Medical Student. So now we are heading back to our hostel and we'll be having our breakfast and also start our study sessions soon because it's already very late and even last night I didn't study, so I have to. So let's stay tuned and for the next part. Okay, bye. Okay, so now I'm gonna share my experience of doing the series. You guys, actually, I am enjoying it. Like at the end of the day, when I go to sleep, like while I'm editing it, like adding the clips, then I see what progress I made in the day, and it's very satisfying. I like it actually. I like it a lot. Like watching yourself again and again, like kind of self obsession, you can say, but it is what it is, bitch. You can change it. So there are some things that you do and it actually changes you, like adding something in your routine or deleting something from your routine. Like for me, the best part about the day is waking up earlier, because earlier, like 2 or 3 months back, I used to wake up sometimes at 2 in the afternoon, sometimes 9 in the morning, sometimes 11. Like it was in a great schedule, I'd say. And now I'm waking up early, bro. That's a good thing about my day, I would say. So many of you might think that why I'm not attending any classes. Like if I'm a med student, then I should have my classes scheduled and my postings and everything. But my classes are over, guys. Now it's exam time, so our classes are closed. Like my session actually finished, and we're just waiting for our exams to start. Okay, let's talk about what I'm gonna study today. So my study goal would be, like, if I'm very clueless right now that what I'm gonna study, but fine, let's see what we can do. So few of my batchmates who used to work out with me, now they don't go to the gym because of the exam pressure, but I'm still going. And no, it's not because I'm very dedicated towards gym or anything about fitness, but uh, first of all, it helps me to keep myself awake in the morning, because if I start studying first thing in the morning, then I'll probably be sleeping after 2 or 3 hours. That happens with me a lot. So it's little change of environment. And also, when you go to the gym and do workout, then you release some stress, and it's a good thing actually if you are not doing anything else, like I don't know, like actually. Now let's talk about what I should be studying today, because now my exams are really close and I am a little bit scared because I do have a lot of syllabus left. I mean, still I don't know how I'm gonna finish it, but I know we can do it. So in microbiology, I have to finish immunity because I started it yesterday but didn't finish it. So first I'm gonna finish it and then I will revise pharmacology. So you might be thinking why I'm still yapping instead of studying, because ideally I should be studying right now because it's 9:30 and I'm still yapping about I don't know what about my day and anything. Actually, I'm not feeling like studying today because there are some days when you just don't feel like doing anything and just staying in the bed and watch reels. I don't know, eat some comfort food, watch some cozy thing. But I can't do it. I have to study even though I don't want to. These are the days when you just don't feel like doing anything, because honestly speaking, I don't know if I will be able to finish my syllabus in like starting of January, and my exams are from 15 Jan, so at least I need 15 days to revise everything again. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Now it's just that I'm a little tensed, and that's why I don't want to study. But I have to. I don't have any other option. Sometimes you have to do things in life which you don't want to. You have to cut off someone. If you know, you know. That's it. Let's see where it goes, because we are trying, and we are again trying only. We can't do anything else except trying, and we have to give our best, because at the end I don't want to regret that why didn't I studied enough. I hate it. Okay, so bye guys, see you soon.